Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Welcome to your computing class. So, how many of you have revised the yesterday's lecture at your home? Yes, raise your hands. All of you. That's really great. Okay. So, is there any confusion in anything? No? That's wonderful. So, who is going to tell me what we have done in last class? Yes. What was that? We learned that how we can write something, how we can basically give a title to something on the Word document, right? Yes, we discussed that yes, we do write something on a piece of paper. We do jot down our thinkings on a piece of paper. But yes, we can also write down and we can add pictures to it as well on the computer as well, right? And we were learning that. So the first step was we learned that how we can give a title to the something, right? What were the steps involved in it? We click on the word file, then we write that my hobby is dash dash dash, whatever was your hobby, right? Then we select all of that sentence. We change the size of the font, we make it a little more bold, we highlighted it as well, and then we bring it into the center of the page. How? By center alignment. We have four options for the alignment. The first one was for the left, then was for the center one, then right, and there was this which was full alignment, right? So we learned this much together. Any confusion in anything? No? Should we move forward? Okay, great. I'm going to share the screen with you. So in today's class, I'll over here look at this. Over here I'm writing word. Now here the options have been opened for me. I'll click on the word. From here, I will open the blank document. From here, I'll again write my hobby is baking. Now I will select this all. I'll bring it to the center of the page. Then I'll change the size of it. And then I'll make it bold as well. We were done till now, right? Now, what is today's lesson? You will click on insert. In today's class, we will basically learn that how to add a text box to it, okay? So in order to add a text box, you will click on insert, the third option. The first one is file, then home, and the third one is insert. You will click on insert. From here, it is giving you a lot of options. You will go to the right hand side. Over here there is text box. Now from here, choose a text box, whatever type you want to. Let's say I choose this one, right? Now, because I have chosen this, now whatever I want to write about my hobby, I will write it down over here in this blue box. Got it? Is this understood? Okay, great. Now, what is your class activity? You are supposed to do the same. First, revise the work that we have learned in the yesterday's class. Do revise all of those options as I have revised in front of you, and then open the text box for you. Now you can write anything over here. Just select this, put a backspace, it will turn to empty box, right? Now you can write whatever you want to. Let's say I want to write that my hobby is baking. I love to bake cakes and pizzas. Okay. Whenever I have free time, I go to the kitchen and try out a new recipe. Okay, so similarly, you can write anything, whatever you want to about your hobby over here. Got it? Okay, now the next thing is you will click on file, then you will click on save as. Now from here, choose the position where you want to save this, right? I want to save it in downloads. Now, what is the name that I want to give it is my hobby. Okay, this would be the name of my file. This is the type in which I want to save it. This is Word document, and I have choose the folder which is my downloads. Now I will save it. Now this has automatically saved over there. Got it? Now let's say if I want to reopen it for you, I'll cross it from here. I'll open this PC. Then I'll open downloads. Now see, there is my hobby. See, this is saved over there, right? Like I have opened this file for you, you are supposed to save your work and then check it out that whether it is over there in that position or not. Hurry up, do it. Hurry up, practice it and let me know if you have any confusion. Okay, everything is fine? Any confusion? Okay, all of you are done. Show it to me. Very good. Yes, what about you, Alize? Very good. Ahmed, are you also done? Excellent. So all of you can find your saved work. Very good. So that was all for today. What we have learned that how to add a text box to the Word document. And the second thing, how we can save our file and we can use it for later purposes. Got it? So do revise it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion in anything. We will resolve it together. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.